The First Amendment gives you 5 powerful rights. The first right is the freedom of religion, which actually gives you 2 protections in one. This protection prevents the government from establishing an official religion or favoring one religion over another. It also protects your right to practice your religion freely, but that practice cannot be used as an excuse to violate the law. The second right is the freedom of speech, which protects your right to say what you want even if it's offensive or unpopular. While broad and powerful, freedom of speech has limits and exceptions. Threats do not fall under the protections of freedom of speech, nor does inciting imminent violence. Freedom of speech also doesn't protect you to defame others, whether it be in written or verbal form. While there are other exceptions to this protection, the general rule is that you can speak your mind freely. The third right is the freedom of the press, which ensures that the media can report on the truth even if the government doesn't like what's being said. The fourth right is the freedom to assemble, which basically allows you to gather with other people peacefully and make your voices heard. However, the moment that violence occurs, First Amendment protections end. While the government can require permits and set rules, it can't ban a protest just because it doesn't like what's being said. Finally, you have the right to petition the government for redress of grievances. That's just fancy words for that you have the right to complain to the government and demand that they change laws and fix problems.